up, guys? So we're here at Chinook, getting ready to raft down to Tussing Park, however you want to pronounce it. Got Jeff over here. He's got his tube. Bernie's down there. He's got his tube. All right, I'll see you out on the river. I got Jeff behind me. I got Bernie way down below. Killer day to be out here. Looks like we got some clouds rolling up. Possible thunderstorms. Love it. Love Oregon. You never know what you're gonna get. Out here on the Rogue River. We were supposed to summit Mount McLoughlin today, but we couldn't because it was too hot today. Me and Jeff decided it was a bit too dangerous to climb that high that late in the day with melting ice, snow, the whole thing. So we're out here. And as you can see, it's way better. But don't worry, we're still gonna climb it. Down the hill! Right, we just made landfall. Jeff, how was it, bud?
It was awesome, dude. The water's great. The day's been perfect. Just beautiful.
Hell yeah.
Day, 85 degrees.
Bernie's first time. How was it?
On the road? Well, not on the road, but on this part of the road. I did try to Rafting over there on Shady Point side, but Shady Cove.
Hell yeah.
But this was awesome.
Hell yeah.
With some wild guys right there too.
Right on.
Yeah.
Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, this is Vito's Adventures.